How to change WhatsApp status horizontal to vertical. So if your WhatsApp status is in horizontal form and I want to change the status back to vertical, just like my own, then here's a video for you. So in this video, I'll show you how you can bring back the old WhatsApp style, which is the old vertical WhatsApp style instead of the horizontal form after updating your WhatsApp to the latest variant. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to bring back the WhatsApp status horizontal to vertical is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once open that, go ahead and click on update. Then here you have access to the horizontal WhatsApp status. Now to bring back the vertical WhatsApp status, come to channel and make sure you unfollow all channels you are following on WhatsApp. If you followed any channel on WhatsApp, your WhatsApp status will change from vertical to horizontal. So to bring back WhatsApp status horizontal to vertical, just go ahead and click on any channel you are following under channels and then unfollow the channel. So you need to make sure you unfollow the channel if you want to bring back the old WhatsApp status. Tap on follow channel. Then you see what that says, are you sure you want to unfollow WhatsApp channel? That's the name of the channel I'm following. Tap on follow. Now once you unfollow the channel, just hit the back button. Then you should see your WhatsApp status change back to vertical. You see that? So if you are still following any channel or the WhatsApp status couldn't change from horizontal to vertical, make sure you unfollow all channels. And at the same time, if you have a channel you created as your own, then you want to delete the channel, then this is going to convert the horizontal WhatsApp status to vertical WhatsApp status. So that's basically how to change WhatsApp status horizontal to vertical. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.